here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming this entire apartment tour on my iPhone because I forgot the fact that this is probably going to be the last time that I'm in my apartment with it being fully furnished. So I wanted to capture this video both for myself in the future, but also for you guys who asked for an apartment tour. Obviously this isn't the best quality, but also like this just goes to show you can make an entire video with your iPhone totally fine. For those of you who don't know, I am a second year student at UVA. I'm majoring in commerce. We have an apartment lease for 12 months, haha, and we're not living here for the full 12 months anymore, so that's great. We have 4 roommates total, Emma, Chesley, and Lauren, and so it's been really fun living here the past, I don't even know, 5, 6, 7 months. I don't even know how many, 7. We are actually on the 2nd floor of an old house, so that's definitely been cool. This house is like almost 100 years old, so that has definitely made for some charming yet interesting experiences. If you guys like college videos, lifestyle videos, anything like that, definitely subscribe down below, and let's get into the apartment tour. When you walk up the stairs, this is what you first see. We have our living room here. We really wanted to take our time decorating this room because we knew this is where we would be hanging out the most. I'm gonna turn and show you guys what this side looks like. If you guys watch my moving vlog, this looks pretty similar to what it was before. We have this table here, originally from IKEA in like the 90s. Over the summer, I sanded it and painted it white. It's held up kind of well, definitely some spots here and a lot on the other side, but I didn't really seal it that great, so it's fine, whatever. This gray couch, which we have loved this year, is from Ashley Furniture. I'm gonna say it was around $400 or $500. Definitely not bad for a couch. And then these pillows and the covers are from IKEA. I bought this blanket from Target. It just has this little Moroccan fringe detailing. I really like that. I wanna say that this rug is a 7x9 or something like that. It's from Rugs USA and it's held up so well. I highly recommend it if you guys are looking for cute, cheap rugs, especially for like a college apartment or dorm. Back there we have some extra seating from when friends come over. We have this couch which probably holds like 3 or 4 people. We also have this ottoman to the chair we couldn't fit in here, so that holds like another person. And then we have these fold out chairs. We actually have more in this closet here. We have a bunch of random stuff in here, but a lot of it's just like disposable cups. We have this cooler thing that I think Chesley's family brought. And we also have happy birthday balloons for when it was everyone's birthday. Moving over here, we have this beautiful built-in. We kind of styled this, kind of didn't, I don't know. Over here we have the ottoman with these 2 pillows. They're both from Target. I had these last year in my dorm, if you remember. And then this lamp, it's kind of like ratchet because the shade doesn't quite fit. But the shade is from Target. The lamp base is originally from Pottery Barn, and you can actually tap it to turn it on. This lamp was LT's last year in her dorm. We actually have a mouse trap back there because we had a dog visit, so we had to hide that away. But yeah, we just have like random coffee table books. And then we have this dead plant because we haven't been watering it. We have really open windows here, which is awesome. It just brings in a lot of light. We actually have a lot of windows throughout the place. Panning over here, we have the board that we never decorated. Honestly, we kept saying we were gonna get around to it. We never did. We also have some string lights up here from Christmas. And then in here, it's pretty empty right now, but this is basically our pantry because we don't have space over there. There's actually not a ton of cabinet space. We each have a shelf. At first I thought it was gonna be really inconvenient that we had to walk over here for all our stuff, but honestly a lot of this is just like snacks and peanut butter and like dry goods. It's been really nice. As you can see, one of the many quirks of this house, the door frame is crooked to what the door is. The door is actually straight, so just a fun little thing going on here. Love that. So here we have our amazing TV and TV stand. The TV is from Toshiba. It is an Amazon Fire TV, so it comes with one of these remotes. Our TV setup here honestly is prime because we had all of the TV options. We also had YouTube TV, we had Apple TV, like we had such a good situation here, so I'm definitely going to miss that next year. Definitely use the TV a lot. This TV stand Lauren and I picked up off of Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. We had to drive like 45 minutes away for it, but definitely worth it. I want to say it was $100 or so. It's really nice. We have in here extra Christmas trees. We used to have our Wii games in there, but I took those home. We also have like our little games. We have tissues and a diffuser, just like a bunch of random stuff in here. Here we have our fireplace, which is probably my favorite feature of this entire room. It is just so cool that we have a fireplace in a college apartment. Like, what? I'm pretty sure all 3 of these are from LT. I believe this one's from HomeGoods. This is probably from HomeGoods too. And this I think is from Target, but it also could be from HomeGoods. She sourced all of that, which was awesome. And I believe these are from Chesley. So I kind of like the balancing situation we have here with the greenery and just like the pops of pink. sink, really ties in nicely. So panning over from the family room, we have the kitchen area. We also have the little breakfast nook featuring my brother because he's helping me move my stuff out. So starting over here, it's definitely a lot more bare than it was throughout the year, but we had our little coffee bar here. We had our Keurig, we had an espresso. We have these little espresso things. I used to have sugar in there, but now I don't drink sugar in my coffee. I'm getting better. Obviously those are gone now. We have our recycling over here, which is kind of messy. Don't mind that. Down here, also kind of emptied out a little. We had all of our little K-cups and our syrups. And then in here, we had all of our mugs and stuff. Honestly, I think these are just LT9 because we have so many coffee mugs. We love coffee. We have at least like one.
You're a moron.
All right, well, hold on. Oh, I broke one of my favorite mugs. It's all good. It's all good. All right, cool. Okay, well, I'm an idiot. Broke one mug. It was my own. Oh, that makes me sad, but we're just gonna deal with that later. Okay, moving on. Down here are all of our travel mugs, and these are all LT's K-cups. Literally, these were just mine, so let's talk about that. These were just all the travel cups, some paper napkins back there, and we also have some more paper plates back there for when guests came over. Moving on to the kitchen, they had actually just renovated this kitchen before we moved in, so that was super awesome. This kitchen is really nice. However, I will say it's a lot smaller in person than it comes off on camera. Our fridge is literally so empty right now, which is so weird because throughout the year it's just stuffed. Freezer's still pretty full. This is pretty normal actually. We have a lot of like Trader Joe's frozen food and stuff in there. Over here, nothing too crazy. Just have the sink. We have a little bit of counter space here, some clean dishes. And then down here we have our European sized dishwasher, which is literally so small. It makes me appreciate the one we have at home. It honestly worked pretty well for us. We didn't have a ton of dishes. Right above here, we have all of our plates and bowls, which for me as a 5'8" person, I can reach, but Chesley's like 5 foot. So definitely a little bit more difficult for her. Like honestly, this is like really high up for cabinets. I feel like this is a lot of like wasted space here, but that's just me. And then over here we have the largest microwave known to man. This one is massive. I don't know why we have such a large microwave, but we do. So in here we have like all of our cups, our spices, some more glasses, and some less used things. So like olive oil and baking soda. And then up here we have like 0 water filters and some Tupperware. Down here we have more Tupperware. We have all of our kitchen utensils in here. Some frequently used ones up here. Actually, this little silverware holder like fits like a glove. We can find no divider to fit in here because this is like such a narrow drawer. It's our little view looking outside, looking at the trees. Very nice. Love to look at that when washing dishes. Moving on, if you go through the apartment, on the left we have my bathroom. In this apartment we have 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, so we actually have our own, which is insane. So this is what it looks like. This rug is super dirty, but if you're wondering, this is from HomeGoods, and my shower curtain is from Target. To the right here I have this little tower with some things. Obviously it's very empty because I've moved it out partially. And then on here I keep this very minimal. I usually have my toothbrush in there. I have my little salt lamp, which I love to turn on when I'm showering. Great vibes. And then this Trader Joe's hand soap. I actually love these lights. They're great lighting for doing your makeup. But we have this medicine cabinet here, which held a lot of my things. I bought these little drawer liners. I mean, I guess these are like cabinet liners or whatever. But I bought those from IKEA. I use those throughout the house. I just kept some of my stuff in there. And then over here, I have my clawfoot tub shower, which is amazing, but also there's no place to put any of my products in the shower. So what I have is this here with a lot of miscellaneous products because I've taken most of them home. I just have like all my shampoo, conditioner in there. I have a couple different tiers. In the bottom, I have some toilet bowl cleaner. And then over here, I have my toilet, my trash can, my hand towels. The setup on the back of the door definitely is interesting, but you could only really fit 1 towel over this bar, so I wanted to make sure I could fit a couple. And the door wouldn't quite close with this over top, so I just put this here. It works. I have my laundry there. Down here, I kept all my makeup remover and anything regarding like teeth, so I had a toothbrush, toothpaste, floss, anything like that. Down here was all of my hair care stuff, so I had this little towel that I put down on my desk so that I could put my straightener on it. I have some round brushes, a comb, a little curling iron in there. And here I definitely had to get creative with the space. I used this little tower thing that I actually got from another girl in Cayo who graduated, but it just has these 2 drawers. I have pads and tampons. And then also some extra beauty products, like an extra comb, extra razors, some extra body spray, stuff like that. If you turn right, you come into my room here. Definitely very blessed with the size of this room. I have loved living in this room. I truly designed it to my style and everything, and I've just loved living in it. Here I have my bed. My bed frame is from our attic, as is the mattress. It is my dad's post-grad, so definitely not the comfiest, but it does the job. My headboard is from Home Depot, but you could also get it off Amazon, Wayfair, places like that. And I want to say it was like $120, which isn't bad at all. My pillows are from Target. The shams are also from Target. This blue pillow is from HomeGoods. This coverlet is from Macy's. I got it on sale. And then this comforter is actually my twin XL bedding from last year. It's from Dormco, and I just put it sideways, trying to give some dimension. This blanket up top here is from Amazon. This bottom one from Target. And then this bin is from Scout. It's amazing. You can actually sit on it. Highly recommend for college. Panning over, I have these 3 boards. Each is from HomeGoods, and I just have some memories there. I absolutely love these boards. I think I'm actually going to hang them up in my room at home because I'm just obsessed with them. And then up here I have my happy birthday sign that I never took down. If you're wondering about the detailing in the back, the house actually used to end right here, and these were the windows facing outwards. But after they added the addition where the rest of the 3 bedrooms are, they just put the mirror inside the glass, and it looks so cool. It's super unique about this room, and I'm definitely going to miss that next year. This rug, by the way, is the one from my dorm last year. It's from Rugs USA. She's cute from a distance. Don't look too closely. It's really dirty. Over here I have my nightstand, which I got off of neighborhood consignment shop. It was like a little Facebook page. I want to say I paid like $20 for it. It doesn't really hold anything crazy in here, but I just have some books, a light, and I think a pepper spray, maybe like a personal alarm. Like, that's what's going on there. It's like never been organized, but that's totally fine. Up here I have my lamp from last year. This is from Target. And then down here I have this little succulent that my aunt gave me, and some extra book from my first semester. If you've never watched my videos before, you're probably like, what is this? I like to call this my elf closet. This is where I keep all of my shoes. Currently don't have all of them here, obviously. And I also have my air mattress, which is very frequently used by Liv, a toolkit, and also this like plastic bin of just a bunch of random stuff. I really like having that plastic bin because I just keep like extra IKEA bags, extra books, just like anything random goes in that bin that I don't need to access. And this has been super great for some extra storage. Over here we have this cute little corner that I always see when I wake up. I just love this area. It's just very fresh, bright, clean. This dresser here is from IKEA. It was a beast to put together. Definitely had no hand in that. My dad did that. I love it though. It holds so much. I actually have some extra space in it even when it's fully used. So that's insane because I feel like I have so many clothes. But up top, I just have my bras. I have any kind of strapless bras, bralettes, and then this is like a cami, I think. I don't know. Here I have my underwear. This drawer is massive. I have all of my t-shirts in here. Back when I had more here, which I definitely did, I had to like double stack them, but this drawer is just so deep and also so tall that it totally fit. I have all my sweatshirts here that I don't hang up, and then a bunch of my socks down here. This drawer is like my workout drawer usually, so I'll have leggings here, I'll have shorts here, and my yoga pants here. Obviously it's been cleared out, but that's usually what it looks like. In this drawer, I have more like workout-y things. These are like actual workout things, so I have workout tops, any kind of jackets, and then these are all like more shorts and tank tops and stuff. And then down here was all of my loungewear. Most of this is gone, honestly. I have my favorite Walmart tank tops. Highly recommend them. They're like $2. I have some extra PJs, and then I have a swimsuit back here and some extra legal pads. Up top, I love how simple this decor is. It's just very my style, blue and white, gray, and just neutrals. I love it. This frame is from HomeGoods. This is a Capri blue diffuser. It's from Anthropologie. This is from a local store in Richmond, and this lamp is from Target. Handing over to my desk, I love my desk area here. It's just so spacious and so multifunctional. This desk itself is from that same neighborhood consignment shop. It's like $100, which for a desk isn't too bad. In the drawers, I just have on the right side all my paper, tape, stamps, a receipt, the Kyo handbook, like little pins and stuff for my board. I definitely use the left side far more. This has all my pens, pencils, I have 2 pairs of scissors, some rubber bands from when I tie-dyed something, like all my stationery things. On the bottom here, this is only the essentials. This desk is so deep that I can put this stuff back here and still have ample room to work here. This lamp is from Target. I have some of my favorite colored pens here. This canvas Liv was actually supposed to finish. She never did, so I'm gonna get her to do that later. This mirror is from HomeGoods. I use my makeup. I use that to do my makeup, and my stapler there. Just have a little plant for decoration. I always have a notepad out on my desk. And then here I usually have like my folders and stuff for school. Just have some extra like stuff. This is the same desk hutch that I used last year in my dorm. I'm gonna try to use it next year. This has been one of the best purchases I've made. Definitely gonna take this with me. It provides so much extra storage, which is amazing. Up here, I usually have all my notebooks, so it comes out to about here. Here I have my makeup brushes, and then back here I have my hair clips. In the middle here, I usually have like my vitamins and things that I need to take on the daily, like Midol, some sleep gummies, vitamin C stuff, all that. Here, obviously, I usually have my makeup. I only took the essentials, but I'm gonna take this home with me. I love how you can just pull this out, just bring it down, do my makeup, put it back, and then I just have some extra stuff back there. Up here, I usually keep my books and a couple extra pairs of sunglasses. And then up here, I actually recently redid this before I left. I like measured so that they were like perfectly apart and perfectly separated, but I just love how it really just draws your eye up. I have a printer here, I have these wine glasses, and then I just have a couple decor pieces. I keep my hair ties in here. This I got from Big Sis Week, and then this I got from Ashley, and I have a cute little picture of us from when we went to New York. Here I have my closet with my Target mirror. This is back when I was waiting on comm, so haha. TBT. This closet has honestly been so great. I have a ton of storage in here, way more than I thought I would. Up here I just have some extra hangers. If you guys watched a couple of videos back, I like went through my closet, so I just had a bunch of extra hangers. But here I just have all my clothes. Usually it's a little bit more stuff than this. Down here I have this little cubicle from Target. I turned it on its side. And here I just have some jeans. This side I have all my medicine. And then over here I have some like gift supplies. Here I just have a couple extra like shorts and jean skirts, some sweaters. I have my slippers, and then my tripod's back there. This has been such a lifesaver. I love this little contraption. I think I got it from like HomeGoods or something. I just have a hat up here. It has this little thing so I can keep like umbrellas and stuff. I have a belt and a bag here and a rain jacket. Then over here I have this 3-cube cubicle that I used last year in my dorm, if you guys watched that video. I love this. This is from Walmart. Up at the top I just have all of my towels. In the middle section I have all my extra sheets and stuff, just all the linens. And then down here I have all my electronics. I have my old laptop, some chargers, some technology cleaner, and a case. Up top I just have all my jewelry and stuff. So I have my hoop earrings here, my statement earrings, any kind of like necklaces, I have my perfume, and then I just have some cute little pictures over here to kind of add a little flair. That was my room. I've been obsessed with it this entire year, and I'm so sad to not be in it next year. I don't know if you guys have seen this in videos, but if you were ever wondering what's back here, we just have our laundry room. We actually literally just got a brand new washer, and I'm so upset that I'm not going to be able to use it. We got it right after spring break, so I never did laundry here, but it's this new like top loader one. It's so nice. It's so deep. I'm so sad to not use it, but yeah, that's besides the point. I'm so happy that we have laundry in here. And then over here, it's like definitely not aesthetically pleasing, but we each have a bin. In my bin, I just have like all of my laundry stuff. I have these little scenty things. Smells so good. Any cleaning supplies in there. Have a collapsible laundry bin, collapsible drying rack. We each have our own detergent. And then back here we have the rest of the 3 rooms. That's Lauren's room, that's Chesley's room, and that's Emma's room. It's kind of weird that they're all back here and I'm not, but honestly I feel like I get the most interaction up here because everyone has to walk by my room, which has been great. All right, you guys, that's it for the apartment tour. I really hope that you enjoyed, even if it was filmed on an iPhone, but that goes to show you make any video on your phone anytime. Really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you're new, definitely subscribe down below for some more college and lifestyle videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.